Welcome to SME, SharePoint Made Easy. My name is Jill Brown, and today I'm going to show you how to color code rows in your SharePoint list based on a choice column using JSON. Formatting views is a new feature in SharePoint as of August 2019. Previously, you could only use JSON to format individual columns. Why use dynamic formatting in a SharePoint list? In my example, I have a team of project managers who are providing project information via a centralized list. We want our department heads to view project metrics in a visual way. With JSON, we will color rows dynamically, using a choice field's values to determine whether the row displays as green, yellow, orange, red, or white. When the choice field is updated, the row color updates automatically. With view formatting, the visual indicator is now no longer confined to one column, and no matter how wide your list view is, you can always tell the status of the items by the color of the row. Decision makers can quickly scan a list, easily spotting projects that are experiencing issues, no matter how the list is sorted or filtered. To follow along with this guide, you should have full control or owner-level permission for the list. The list should have a choice column that you will use to determine row formatting. In our example, we are using a choice column called Status with 5 options. You'll want to use Notepad or your favorite script editing application in order to edit the JSON more easily. The list must be in the modern experience. JSON formatting does not display in classic experience. Now that your list is ready, let's format our list view. The first step is to navigate to the list where you want to apply the formatted view. I've created a list and named it My Project List. And within this list, I've created a few columns. The column we're going to be focusing on today is my choice column. The choice column I've named Status. If you don't already have a choice column, you're going to want to create one. Next, you'll add options to your choice column. In my example, my choice column has 5 options: no issues, inactive, warning, in review, and at risk. The JSON code will color code the list rows based on the options. So no issues will be green, inactive will be white, warning will be yellow, in review orange, and at risk red. Next, we're going to navigate to the view that we wish to format in the list. I'm going to format my All Items view, but if you'd like to format a different view, you can create a new view and select that view. Note that the choice column you are using in the JSON must appear in the view in order to trigger the JSON formatting. In other words, if my status column is not visible in my view, then my JSON code will not work. Now that we're ready to go, we're going to select the View dropdown and click Format Current View. Here we see the Format View pane. It provides a window for pasting our JSON. I've provided JSON code for you in the accompanying blog. You can find the link in the description. Right now, I've got the code set up in Notepad++. I highly recommend, if you're going to be doing any code editing, to do it in a program like Notepad or Notepad++. That's another free program. You can find the link in the description. I'll exit full screen mode and I'll hold the Windows key and press the left arrow to enter split screen mode. Now I can see my code side by side. I've got the code pasted in Notepad++ so I can edit it easily. If you need to change the column name to something other than status, you can simply go into the code and replace the word status with your column name. You will need to use the SharePoint stored column name. So if you have special characters or if you've changed the column name, please keep that in mind when you're editing this code. Next, you'll want to update the options in your choice column. So in this case, you're going to replace no issues with whatever you would want the first choice to be, inactive with your second choice, warning with your third choice, in review with your 4th choice and at risk with your 5th choice. And we'll just take this code and copy it and go over to our format pane and paste it. And once we've pasted the code, we can click Save. And voila! We have color-coded rows from a dynamically formatted view using JSON. We can test this out by changing the values of the fields in the status column. I'm going to put this in quick edit mode. And I'll exit quick edit mode. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed using JSON to format your SharePoint list view. Please leave us comments with any of your feedback or suggestions, and let us know how you fared with your JSON solution. Did you have success? Maybe you ran into trouble spots you'd like to share with other users. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. This is Jill Brown for SME, SharePoint Made Easy. See you next time.